Nestled in the heart of Europe, Belarus remains a mystery to many travelers. Despite its central location, it is often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors like Poland, Russia, and Ukraine. Yet, this landlocked country is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Often overlooked for its more popular neighbors, this landlocked country holds a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural riches. From its vast forests and serene lakes to its charming villages and historic castles, Belarus offers a unique blend of history, nature, and charm that's just waiting to be discovered. Belarus offers a unique blend of history, nature, and charm that's just waiting to be discovered. Imagine wandering through ancient castles that whisper tales of the past, or strolling through quaint villages where time seems to stand still. The country's rich history is evident in its well-preserved architecture and cultural landmarks. Forget the tourist traps and crowded attractions. Belarus offers an authentic experience. Here you can immerse yourself in the local culture, enjoy the tranquility of the countryside, and explore hidden gems that are off the beaten path. The authenticity of Belarus is one of its greatest charms. Come along as we unveil the best scenery in this hidden gem of Eastern Europe. From the rolling hills and lush forests to the crystal-clear lakes and majestic castles, Belarus is a land of breathtaking beauty. Each season brings its own unique charm, making it a year-round destination. Belarus is a land of pristine lakes, ancient forests, and grand castles. The country's natural landscapes are a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you enjoy hiking, birdwatching, or simply taking in the beauty of nature, Belarus has something to offer. It's a place where time seems to move a little slower. The peaceful atmosphere of the countryside provides a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Here you can relax and unwind, surrounded by the beauty of nature. The people are warm and welcoming, eager to share their culture and traditions. Belarusian hospitality is renowned, and visitors are often struck by the friendliness and generosity of the locals. Whether you're invited to a traditional meal or simply chatting with a local, you'll feel right at home. Whether you're an avid hiker, a history buff, or simply seeking a peaceful getaway, Belarus has something to offer everyone. The country's diverse attractions cater to all interests, from outdoor adventures to cultural experiences, or simply seeking a peaceful getaway. Belarus has something to offer everyone. The country's diverse attractions cater to all interests, from outdoor adventures to cultural experiences. Whether you're exploring the ancient forests, visiting historic landmarks, or enjoying a quiet retreat in the countryside, you'll find plenty to see and do. So pack your bags and get ready to experience the magic of Belarus. This undiscovered gem of Eastern Europe is waiting to be explored. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality, Belarus promises an unforgettable travel experience. In the following sections, we'll take you on a journey through some of the most stunning scenery this country has to offer. From the vibrant colors of autumn to the serene beauty of winter, the lush greenery of spring, and the warm hues of summer, Belarus is a destination that will captivate your heart and soul. Join us as we explore the hidden treasures of this beautiful country. Our first stop takes us to the northern reaches of Belarus, where the Braslav Lakes National Park unfolds in all its glory. This park is a hidden gem, a sanctuary of natural beauty that offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Imagine a region dotted with over 50 shimmering lakes, their waters reflecting the vast sky above. Each lake has its own unique charm, some surrounded by dense forests, others bordered by sandy shores. This is Braslav, a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The park is a haven for those seeking tranquility and a deep connection with nature. Spend your days exploring the network of hiking trails that wind through the park. These trails vary in difficulty, catering to both casual walkers and seasoned hikers. As you walk, you'll encounter a diverse array of flora and fauna, each step bringing you closer to the heart of this natural wonder. Rent a kayak or canoe and glide along the tranquil waters. Paddling through the lakes offers a unique perspective, allowing you to see the park from a different angle. The gentle lapping of water against your boat and the occasional splash of a fish are the only sounds you'll hear, creating a meditative experience. The air is fresh and invigorating, filled with the scent of pine needles and wildflowers. Every breath you take feels like a rejuvenating tonic, cleansing your mind and body. Keep an eye out for the diverse bird life that calls this park home. From majestic eagles soaring high above to colorful songbirds flitting through the trees, the park is a birdwatcher's paradise. Bring your binoculars and a field guide and see how many species you can spot. As the sun begins to set, find a secluded spot along the lakeshore and witness the sky erupt in a riot of colors. The sunsets here are nothing short of spectacular, with hues of orange, pink, and purple painting the sky. The reflection of the setting sun on the water creates a truly magical atmosphere. The calm surface of the lake acts like a mirror, doubling the beauty of the sunset and creating a scene that feels almost otherworldly. Camping under the stars in Braslav Lakes National Park is an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. The night sky here is incredibly clear, free from the light pollution that plagues many other places. As you lie in your tent, you'll hear the gentle sounds of nature all around you, lulling you to sleep. In the morning, you'll wake to the sound of birdsong and the sight of the sun rising over the lakes, ready to start another day of adventure in this beautiful park. From the natural splendor of Braslav, we journey south to the Grodno region, home to the magnificent Mir Castle. This UNESCO World Heritage Site stands as a testament to Belarus's rich history and architectural prowess. As you approach the castle, its imposing red brick walls and soaring towers will transport you back in time. Step inside the castle walls and wander through its courtyards and chambers. Imagine the lives of the noble families who once called this place home. Admire the intricate details of the castle's architecture, a blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles. Mir Castle has witnessed centuries of history, from battles and sieges to periods of peace and prosperity. Standing within its walls, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. Be sure to climb one of the towers for panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Section 4. A Primeval Paradise. Belovezhskaya Pushcha National Park. Our next destination takes us to the southwestern corner of Belarus, where the ancient Belovezhskaya Pushcha National Park straddles the border with Poland. This park is not just a geographical location, it is a living, breathing testament to the natural world as it once was, untouched and unspoiled by human hands. The park's vast expanse stretches over 1,500 square kilometers, offering a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of the last and largest remaining primeval forests in Europe. It is a place where time seems to stand still, where the modern world fades away, and the ancient rhythms of nature take over. The park's designation as a World Heritage Site underscores its global importance and the need to preserve its unique ecosystem for future generations. Stepping into Belovezhskaya Pushcha is like entering a time capsule. The forest has remained largely unchanged for thousands of years, offering a glimpse into the past. Here, you can experience the same sights, sounds, and smells that our ancestors did. The dense canopy overhead filters the sunlight, creating a serene and almost mystical atmosphere. This vast wilderness is home to an incredible array of plant and animal life. Over 900 plant species thrive here, including rare and endangered ones. The park is also a haven for wildlife, with over 250 species of birds and 60 species of mammals. Each visit to the park offers a new discovery, whether it's a rare orchid blooming in the underbrush or a glimpse of a shy lynx darting through the trees. Towering oak trees, some over 500 years old, create a majestic canopy overhead. These ancient giants have witnessed centuries of history, standing as silent sentinels in this timeless forest. Their gnarled branches and thick trunks tell stories of resilience and endurance, having survived countless storms and seasons. The forest floor is carpeted with ferns and mosses, and the air is alive with the sounds of bird song. The rich, earthy scent of the forest is invigorating, and the vibrant green of the ferns and mosses creates a lush, almost otherworldly landscape. Every step you take is cushioned by the soft, spongy ground, adding to the sense of being enveloped by nature. Keep your eyes peeled for the park's most famous resident, the European bison. These magnificent creatures, once on the brink of extinction, have found a safe haven in Belovezhskaya Pushcha. The park is home to the largest free-roaming population of European bison in the world. Seeing these majestic animals in their natural habitat is a truly awe-inspiring experience. Explore the park on foot, by bicycle, or even on horseback. Each mode of exploration offers a unique perspective on the park's diverse landscapes. Walking allows you to move at your own pace, taking in the details of the flora and fauna. Cycling lets you cover more ground, while horseback riding offers a more traditional and immersive way to experience the forest. There are numerous trails to choose from, ranging from short nature walks to multi-day treks. Whether you're a casual hiker or an experienced trekker, you'll find a trail that suits your level of fitness and interest. The shorter trails are perfect for families and those looking for a leisurely stroll, while the longer, more challenging routes offer a deeper immersion into the park's wilderness. For a truly immersive experience, spend a night in one of the park's guest houses or campgrounds. Staying overnight allows you to experience the forest in a different light. As the sun sets and the forest comes alive with nocturnal creatures, you'll gain a new appreciation for the park's biodiversity. Waking up to the sounds of the forest and the sight of the morning mist rising through the trees is an unforgettable experience. Section 5. Minsk, where history meets modernity. From the depths of the ancient forest we journey to the bustling capital city of Minsk. Don't let the modern facade fool you. Minsk is a city steeped in history. Wide avenues lined with grand Soviet-era architecture give way to charming cobblestone streets in the city's historic center. Start your exploration of Minsk in Independence Square, the city's beating heart. Here, you'll find imposing government buildings and the iconic red brick church of Saints Simon and Helena. Stroll along the banks of the Svislak River, a ribbon of green cutting through the city. Be sure to visit the Island of Tears, a poignant memorial dedicated to Belarusian soldiers who lost their lives in the Soviet-Afghan War. In the evening, experience Minsk's vibrant nightlife scene.